Welcome to HCM.ai, a smart human capital management platform designed to simplify and modernize every aspect of HR management. In today's fast-paced business world, managing employees efficiently is more important than ever, and HCM.ai brings everything together in one intelligent and easy-to-use solution. As soon as you log in, you're greeted with a clean and professional dashboard that provides a complete overview of your organization's workforce. From employee statistics and attendance records to performance insights and important HR metrics, everything is available in one place with an intuitive interface. Managing employees becomes simple and hassle-free. HR teams can easily add new employees, update personal information, assign departments and roles, manage documents, and keep records organized without unnecessary paperwork or manual processes. The platform also offers advanced attendance tracking and leave management features, making it easy for both employees and administrators to monitor working hours, request leaves, and maintain accurate records. This helps improve transparency while saving valuable administrative time. With powerful analytics and AI-driven insights, HCM.ai transforms raw employee data into meaningful information. Interactive charts and reports help managers understand workforce trends, monitor productivity, and make informed business decisions with confidence. Designed with a modern and responsive user interface, the platform delivers a smooth experience across desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. Every feature is carefully crafted to improve productivity, reduce repetitive tasks, and enhance collaboration across the organization. Whether you're a startup building your first team or a large enterprise managing hundreds of employees, HCM.ai provides the flexibility, security, and intelligence needed to support your growing business. By combining automation, artificial intelligence, and user-friendly design, HCM.ai helps organizations focus less on manual HR operations and more on building a stronger, happier, and more productive workforce. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the future of human capital management with HCM.ai.